Pens, pens, pens. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for the silent stream. I might be on and off today. I might be on and off today in the stream. Just now. This is absolutely filthy. We're starting to change it up a little bit here. Maybe break out, but this is strong trading range. In the middle of the trading range, you got trading ranges and trading ranges. Question is, are we gonna bounce off the top of this inner trading range from the outer trading range? This bull move looks like it could. Has the makings of a breakout, but absolutely filthy. Filthy price action at the moment. So filthy. Look at that. Look at this bull bar ending on its high. It gets folded here. I drew the circle here to show how filthy this price action is. Goodness gracious. Look at that. So that's the question. Was I going to break the inner trading range? No one knows. But traders are definitely trying to reverse it there on a dime. Same thing here, maybe. Reverse it again back up. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Absolutely filthy. That's all I know. Just sit on my pause here. I mean, the best thing you can do right now is buy low, sell high, scalp. But the problem is buying low. The issue is that we didn't get to the top of the trading range. So this could be the sign that the bears are in control. The fact that we couldn't get back up here could be a clear sign, or people are just buying at the bottom of this pivot. Come back to the previous day's close all day, every day. Something along those lines. Who knows? Feels like entry long. Can't take it though. It's absolutely filthy. Every single setup you're thinking is going to fail today because of how filthy this price action is. The best way to trade this, buy low, sell high, scalp, in my opinion. We shall see though. Feels like entry long. Looks like it's going to fail, but who knows? You're just not taking anything here. You're not trying to go short at the bottom of the trading range. So filthy. Just watching, 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 watching. A little bit of follow through. Just a little bit of follow through here. Comes to the bottom trading range. Again, the issue is that we didn't get to the top. So there's a chance it can break down. The chance it can break down. So if you're like trying to buy low, sell high, scalp and scale in, this is not a good time. It's a very scary time to try. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Ashraf, good morning. Albert Emo, good morning. YL, good morning. YL wants to do this talking today. Go ahead. Be my guest. Luis, good morning. Tath, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Oh, it keeps pushing down. I mean, are you even getting 10 points here? No. Close, but not really. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. It fails like an inch long on the 5 minutes, continuing from the price action from yesterday. It can retrace all of yesterday's gains. It could do that easily today. This could be a downtrend day today. It's funny because the E-mini actually doesn't go down very far. Actually, kind of pops back up. Kind of interesting here. The E-mini actually looks very bullish. I'm about to take it on the E-mini. I'm about to take a trade on the E-mini, you know what I mean? It's the second entry long. Should I take a trade on the E-mini? Do I even have a trade copy on the E-mini right now? Oh, I can make it though. Interesting trade. I could try, I guess, and whatever. What's the worst that could happen here? What's the worst that could happen here? The E-mini. The orders are so far away because it's like it's basically adjusted to the Nascraq. 6 points. It's a $300 risk here. 5 minute E-mini. Oh, looks like we're getting crushed here. Second entry long on the E-mini. Fills a gap, bull bar. Feels like entry long here. Ooh, big reversal here maybe. Strong reversal bar on the Nascraq. Nascraq is just it is breaking down. It's like tumbling. E-mini not as much, but it looks like it'll probably follow suit. This looks tremendously bearish on the Nascraq here. Tremendously bearish on Nascraq. Like, insanely bearish on the Nascraq right now. Like downtrend day all day today, pretty much. Yikes. I mean, I'm just trading the E-mini right now, but E-mini is a very different story right now. E-mini is a very different story. This looks terrible for the Nascraq. Like, look at the Nascraq on the 5 minute Nascraq. Insane bear bars. It's just straight up reversal from the top. Just basically from the previous day's high. I mean, still the story is different on the E-mini. If we come back up here, I'm going long. Whatever. If we can come back here. Ooh, we're tumbling now on the E-mini. $300 risk on this trade. It's just a 5 minute chart on the E-mini. I mean, I'm not risking more than this. That's some huge risk already. And it's a reversal pattern. Oof, terrible. Second entry long just gets chapped up. Mm. Okay. I guess I guess they're going short. No reservations. Jeez, filthy. Second entry long. Like you're thinking you're breaking the previous day's high pretty easily here. I mean, we're so far out now of the trading range. So far out of the trading range. Thinking we are pushing down now. Breaking above the 20 minute here. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Takes me out perfectly and then just bounces up. Whatever. I'm not holding more than that. I mean, it's a reversal pattern. There's no way I'm holding more than that. Mm-hmm. 50% reversal here. 50% chance reversal. 50% chance reversal here. Mm-hmm. Not close enough to the trend line, but guess beggars can't be choosers here. Let's try. We might have gone heavier if we actually bounced off our trend line, but we missed the trend line. It's just a second inch short here. Eesh. Ah, jeez. What slippage? Crazy slippage, in fact. Yeah, I mean, I took a one contract. It's just slippage is super frustrating right there. We're about to bust these accounts, unfortunately. Really close to doing it. Got $500 away. I mean, we might as well crank this next one. Above the 20 May here. Can't take this trade, but all good. Mm, Coming for a trend line, but above the 20 May. It's all sorts of confusing here. 5 minute. I mean, I could try a 5 minute trade, whatever. So basically a failure of the trap. A very short stream. Very short stream today. So frustrating here. It is what it is. Give me a second, just short, but just too far from 20 May. I took one contract. Unfortunately, we just don't have enough threshold here. I don't think I could take this long. When the Nascraq is like failing like this, nah, no, thank you. Can't take it. Will though take this trade. Missed it. Couldn't time it perfectly. I could not time it. I wanted to get in that trade, but I could not time it. It was too difficult. It basically ended right when I tried to enter. Mm. Yikes. Yikes. Jeez. Terrible, 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 terrible. Reversing here. Absolutely filthy. Here we go. Get ready, Panis. We're doing it here. We're absolutely going in here. Freaking up. All right. We lost our trend line. Filthy. I mean, that's like a pretty good short trade. And it just shows you how ridiculous the price action is right now, because that's a really good short trade, in my opinion. It's like A A plus trade, in my opinion. It's just absolutely filthy coming after a huge bear bar. That's filthy. That's some filthy price action happening right now. It basically stops out all the bears and just reverses back down. It's crazy. That's just crazy. That's filthy. That's really filthy. If you ask me, that's filthy. That's a filthy price action. If you ask me, if you ask me, really filthy. Goodness gracious, disgusting. Actually, should be ashamed of yourself. Okay, air bars. Hmm. Let's see if we get something here. I don't like that. All right, Panis. Thoughts and prayers. This is it. This is it. This is the one. Make or break. We're in. Either we make some bamboo here, we die. One out of the two. Either we make some bamboo here or we're dead. Absolutely. Trying to make a new low here for sure. That's like the bare minimum. And we're dead. Yeah. I try to, bare minimum. We gotta look for a new low. Bare minimum and we're dead. I mean, I gotta look for a new low here. If I can't get a new low here, then I'd rather just lose this trade. Yeah, we're dead. Counts below. Oh, I can't even get the new low there. So unfortunate. Super unfortunate. Can't get that new low. Can't get that new low. This break. It is what it is. It's absolutely filthy price action. I mean, we might get it now. I don't know. Who knows? Come on, break even there. Could have. But, I mean, when you see a bear bar like this, you're hoping maybe there's a chance. And, nope. You get abs stupid. So dumb. So stupid. I mean, it's just filthy price action again. I don't know. I mean, what can you do? What can you do about it? Darn it. I mean, when you see a bar like this, you're like, all right, you're thinking it's going to push down again, but it does this instead. So filthy. I mean, look at the 5 minute. It's just complete doji bar here. Like two complete doji bars. It's just impossible to trade, unfortunately. Hmm. When we had the strong push down, I was expecting another push down, especially with the failed trap here. I really thought we were going to get a nice push down here, but fortunately, no bueno. Absolutely no bueno here. All right, TPT time. TPT time. Wow. It's just filthy price action. What can I say? Like, I really thought we were another push down, but instead we get all of this disgusting price action. It's filthy. Filthy from the beginning, filthy till the end. Here we go. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Hmm. Mm, wow. That's incredible. Yep. You get this huge push down. No follow up there whatsoever. No follow up there whatsoever. Maybe second to short. Maybe breakdown retest. Second to short. Or possibly fails second to short and then just breaks back to the upside with trading range. It's filthy. That's filth. This is filth. Absolute filthy here. All right, we're going for it. Looking for a new low here if we can get one. Such a strong push down. It's unfortunate. It's not what I want. It's actually not what I want. Now it's looking less and less attractive. Yeah, it's terrible. It's like completely overlapping bars here. Completely overlapping bars now. It's like it's less desirable now because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. It filled only 4 contracts. Cool. We only get filled 4 contracts, so whatever. I'll take it. I'll take what I can here. I try to get 15 contracts, but you can get filled 4. Looking for a new low, bare minimum here. Bare minimum, looking for a new low. Like that's the absolute bare minimum. I mean, it's stupid. New low created. Okay, we hit our target. We made 1K. Not bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I mean, we made 1K. Let's see here. It's unfortunate I only got filled only 4 contracts. I wanted all 15. I only got filled 4. Super unfortunate. At the end, what ended up becoming is a breakdown retest. Right. Breakdown retest. 20 EMA. Good signal bar, but terrible like risk and context sucks too. The immediate price action is terrible. Completely choppy. Let's see. Turning to a complete trading range is the question at the moment. Hmm. All right, whatever. We're continuing this downtrend. We're continuing this downtrend. New low created here. Big up, big down. Terrible signal bar. It's an okay signal bar, but price action to me right now looks confusing. Looks more confusing than anything else, to be honest. Let's see if we can make some good bamboo here. Reverses. I mean, it is what it is, whatever. It is truly whatever. 15 contracts. Come on, break even if we can here. If we have to. Are we gonna get it? It's a question. I don't want to reversal back up. I do not want to reversal back up. I'll tell you that right now. I do not want to reversal back up. It could be any reversal back up could be very strong. I do not want to reversal back up. I want to just protect this bamboo here. Almost. Almost touches my target, but you can tell it missed it by a tick. Missed it by a tick. Fortunate. Only got 5 points from that trace, so dumb. But look at any reversal strong. You see it comes back up, takes me a break even anyways. At least I've protected some profits there, right, Pandas? At least I protected some profits. Not too shabby. It's so dumb. It's gonna be just a stupid market today, I can tell. I already know what kind of market it's gonna be. It's just be stupid. Just like every other day. Lots of reversals. Right, takes you up break even, then goes back down. Stupid. So that's stupid. So dumb. Completely overlapping bars. Like, what can you do about it? It missed my target by a tick. You know, like I'm looking for 11 points, missed it by a tick. What can you do? Give me slippage on the way back up. It's just everything about it's just stupid. It's just one of those days. Oh. See how it comes and retraces to come out break even, and then comes back down. That's just a proof, evidence of a stupid market. This is absolutely filthy market. It's just doing this all the time, and it finally hits my target after retraces to break even. After it makes this move, I'm not, I'm coming to break even. Like it just takes you out. It's all the bulls who bought here. They're coming out of their trades. That's what causes this reversal back up and push back down. I'm looking for 6 points, I guess. Looking for a looking for 6 points here. I don't know if my next trade could be 6 points. This is wild right here. That's unbelievable to me. About 2K, 19, 19, 1800, 1800. We'll play for 2 points. Interesting. Look at the price. Just look at this pandas. Untradeable. Actually untradeable. Actually, strong push down here, but still untradeable. Lots of overlapping bars here. Like this is actually filthy here. Well, I'm gonna try to go long. This feels like a short. I'll try whatever. Like this will soon convert to a some sort of channel, some sort of broad channel, some channel. It's already overlapping. It's not strong. It is a bear move, but you can tell it's starting to lose its momentum here with all these overlapping bars, doji bars, and it's gonna start turning to a trading range most likely sometime soon. It hasn't already. Crazy, 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 crazy. There's some crazy price action right now. We got big up, big down. I'm definitely not going short here. This is absolutely filthy. Let me just look at this. Like, is this tradable? In what world is this tradable? In what world is this tradable? What is going on? Take profit, Panis. Panis, by the way, this is the last day you can use code BBM for 80% off, and the promo is done for Apex. Last day to use code BBM for 80% off with Apex. And who knows when their next promo will be. It might be a while from now. Might be like Black Friday, 2 months from now. Big push up. Like I said, it's gonna start turning to trading range. Right? This price action is just trading range price action. I mean, you're already starting to see trading range price action start to happen, so most likely gonna start turning to a trading range. That's overlapping bars. It's filthy. Big push up. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Untradeable though. This is filthy. Absolutely filthy. Big, 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 big old push up. I'm trying to figure out what the trading range is though. I'm not sure exactly where it is. Could be here, could be there. My recommendation is always actually to use TPT, Take Profit Trader. It's actually cheaper than 80% off. It's actually cheaper than Apex 90% of all in. If you include the activation fee, since there's no activation fee with 40% off with TPT, it's actually cheaper with TPT if you can get to the funded account. If not, then Apex is going to be cheaper. But if you can get to the funded account with TPT, TPT is cheaper. Technically, it's cheaper. All in. I got one more trade in me, maybe. My bad. Big news coming up Friday. Forex Factory. I like to use Forex Factory for all my news. Oh, we had news today at 10:45. Oh, sorry, 9:45. 9:45? 10:45, 9:45, 9:45. What did we see? What happened at 9:45? Absolutely nothing happened at 9:45. Jeez. It's just filth. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh, Fed Chair Powell speaking. Okay. Okay. That could be important. But the big one is Core PC on Friday, 8:30 a.m. That's a big one. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, looks like I'm just short of our trend line and 20 EMA here. We'd be going short, but the trading range price action is making me feel like that is not the right move here. You gotta do opposite of what you typically would do. Let's try here. It was just 6 points, right? Six. Mhm. There it is. All right, not bad. $4,480. Not too shabby, if you ask me. That is not too shabby, if you ask me. I think that's pretty good. 4,480. I'll take it. What in the world's going on? Like I said, price trading range price action started to form. That's why I was expecting the trading range to start to happen here because of the filth detector. All of these circles just filthy, filthy, filthy price action. Higher time frames, filthy price action. All filthy price action. Look at the 5 minute. It's just all, or the E-mini. It's all filth, pandas. Or afford that. I mean, 15 contract. I mean, this is TPT. Take profit trader. Cranking it on the take profit. And 4,480. You gotta love it. You gotta love take profit. Because you can literally withdraw this money in one single day. And that's the beauty of it. So uh, if you got TPT accounts, that's the beauty of it. So 4,480 times 5 is what? Like 30,000? That's a quick withdrawal of 30K. No big. $30,000 withdrawal. No big. Oh, sorry, it's not 30,000. It's 22,000. Sorry, 22,000. Yeah, yeah. 22,000. Look at that. Look at how nasty this price action is. Untradeable. Good luck to anyone trading this, though, to be honest. Seriously, good luck. Thoughts and prayers. Anyone trading this right now. I think I'm done for today, to be honest. It's just filthy. So filthy here. So filthy. Look at this. So filthy. I think you gotta go short here. So filthy, though. Whatever, still a lot. Turtle tells guys are right. Take your 22K and just run. I mean, just imagine you be able to say that. Oh, I made like $22,000 today. Like, just imagine being able to say that. It is an absolutely incredible feeling. Absolutely incredible feeling. TBT, that's why TBT, I recommend it for anyone who, honestly, if you're just starting, maybe Apex use evals, one eval. Like, maybe. This is filthy price action, though. You just stay away from this. This is not easy to make money today. Look at this price action. It's untradeable. It's filthy. Sorry for anyone experiencing this right now. It is what it is. Absolutely filthy price action. That's the name of the game. You're gonna run into days like today. It's the name of the game. PPT accounts. Yep, up 4K. TPT. That is the beauty of TPT. Seriously, be careful today. I mean, when you see price action like this, pandas, like you just gotta be careful. You gotta continue to buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the only way to trade today. I'm chilling though, pandas. We're just chilling. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you use code BBN for TPT 40% off, and also Apex 80% off. Today's the last day for Apex. 80% off. Make sure you take advantage of it while it lasts. Next time you're gonna get a promo, who knows? Who knows? Could be months. 3 months from now. What do you have to do to pass TPT? Depends on which account, but the general rule is 50% or you have a 50% consistency rule. So you have 5 days to trade, and you have a 50% consistency rule. So unlike Apex, where you can just pass everything one single day, one single trade, you have to pass it. Well, depends how you want to say it. You can pass it within 5 days, or if you think about it, you can like you can pass it virtually. You're passing it in 2 days. If you can pass it in 2 days and then you flip the rest of the days, but because you have a 50% consistency rule, you can only make 50% of, well, not only, you can make more if you want to, but you make it harder for yourself to pass. So you want to make 50% of the profits of the goal. And the nice thing is it's a end of day drawdown. It's not trailing throw. It's not trailing drawdown. But these days have been absolutely filth. This is filthy. Today is not an easy day to trade. I just, I really hope you guys are doing okay. So they're actually making it more difficult to pass the eval on TPT, which is why the funded account, or they call it pro account, is there's no consistency rules. That's crazy, right? Like you have zero consistency rules. The only caveat is that they take 80% off. They take 80% of your sorry, they take 20% split. You keep 80%. So and 80% is actually kind of a lot. If you think about it, if you make 5K, you lose $1,000. Yeah, you give up $1,000. If you make $5,000, you only take home 4K. So it's kind of a lot that profit split. But it's like a small price to pay to be able to trade however you want. It's like a small price to pay to trade like zero consistency rules. Consistency rules. You can literally trade 15 contracts, and you get 1 day payouts. 1 day payouts. That TBT is nice. Filthy price action. Be careful. I mean, if you're tired of Apex, then try TPT. In my opinion, it's worth a try. It is worth a try, if you ask me. Let me show you how filthy today is. Look at this. Look at the 2500 tick chart. You have a version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 overlapping bars. And when I say overlapping, I mean it's like completely overlapping bars. Like there's just virtually no way to make money today. Stupid. It's actually so stupid. It's the dumbest price action ever. But we're starting to turn to a trading range. But we already knew that was gonna happen. And when we saw these big wicks here, these doji bars, these completely overlapping bars. When you start seeing that, you're pretty much anticipating the trading range going to happen here. Jeez Louise. Yeah, we are both green. Yep. I mean, that's a nice thing. Even though, yeah, even though it's very difficult, we're still green. I'm just saying at this point, there's not very much opportunity here to make money. Very little opportunity. And if you're going to try, you got to risk a lot because you have wide stops. You have to have wide stops today. I'm not impressed anyone trading this. Absolutely filthy day. I might count. I might call it. Might call it. Might call it today. That might be it. That might be all. It might be just a short stream, and it is what it is. It's like just short, but look at how many overlapping bars there are. So many overlapping bars. It's crazy. It's actually crazy how many overlapping bars there are. I mean, are you making money today? I guess people are making money. I mean, it's 10-point swings within these bars, whatever. Terrible, but look at how perfectly alternating this is. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. And guess what? Guess what? Probably green. If I had to make a guess, Turtles practice supply and demand. Yeah, I mean, good luck. Supply and demand's kind of like a price action strategy. I think the only thing, if I were to have indicators, the only indicators I think I would consider are order flow. Order flow. Depth charts, not depth charts, order flow, where you see the cumulative delta. I think that's somewhat telling. Cumulative delta. What's the other one? Thing is, like, I don't know. I don't know. Order flow. Some of the best traders use order flow, so I'm guessing it works. Yeah, you don't need indicators for supply and demand. Just mark the charts. You're looking for big, like, basically two, like, big reversal bars, big reversal areas. But, absolutely filthy. Can't trade this. It is what it is. Footprint is where it's at. Crazy, crazy. All right, pandas. I think I'm gonna end this one a little early, 9:30, or sorry, 10:30. Because it's absolutely filthy, and there's no reason for me to even trade this. We're up 4,480. I'll take that. So, Panis, with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Be careful today. It's gonna be absolutely wild. The price action is already crazy and just filthy. So, the market's out right now to take souls. So make sure you survive. And I hope to see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, as we do every day. And don't forget to use code BBM. Today's the last day to use 80% off for Apex. And TPT 40% off. Active, no activation fee is still ongoing. So make sure you use the code. It helps this channel out a lot. So I appreciate that. Thanks for all your support. And as always, happy trading with us. Bye.